Hi everyone, welcome back to Learn by Abbas. Today, quick tutorial. It's all about a magical Excel feature called Flash Fill. If you have never used it before, you are going to love it. So let's discuss what is Flash Fill. Flash Fill is a feature in Excel that automatically fills in values based on a pattern you start typing. It's a perfect for a task like splitting names, combining data, formatting text, and more. Let's start with a simple example. First, we are going to do an example of splitting full name into first and last name. Now I want to extract just the first name into column B. I will type John here in first name column, and now I am just going to press Ctrl E and you will see the magic here. Excel is going to fill in the rest of the first name instantly. Now let's do the same for the last name in column C. So I am just going to type the last name of first one, David, and I am just going to press Ctrl E and you see the magic here. Now let's try combining text and the example number 2. So imagine I want to create an email address using first and last name like john.david@gmail.com. So in the column B, I am just going to type the first one manually and I am going to press the Ctrl E next to it and it will going to pop up me all of the email address in the column B. So let's do it. Let me type the john.david@gmail.com and now I'm just going to press Ctrl E here and you can see the magic here also. So this is the flash fill example. Okay, so now let's do the another one. Here another cool trick for extracting the initials from the full name here. I am just going to do J and D here and just going to press the Ctrl E and you can see the magic here also. Flash fill is going to understand the pattern and finishes the rest for you automatically. Be enabled from your Excel setting, so I have to show you. Here you can just go to the file option, then options here, and then you have to just go to the advanced option and the editing options. Here you can see automatically flash fill. You have to make sure that this option has been enabled in your Excel. Accelerate your smartness in Excel. Flash fill works best when your data follow a consistent pattern. It is not a replacement for formula, but it's a huge time saver for a quick task. And that's it for the today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and do not forget to subscribe to Learn by Abbas for more Excel tips, tricks, and tutorials. Got a question or want a tutorials on something specific? Drop it in the comment below. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next one.